Welcome Inner Universe community. I am Sanchita Pandey and here I am once again just for you with a new topic for you. Our topic for today is, are you living your purpose and how do you know? Yes, you are living your purpose in life. This is a beautiful thing I read today. We have three faces and this is what the Japanese believe. And the first face is the face that we show to others. The second face is which we show to our near and dear ones, our family and friends. And the third face is all about knowing ourselves. Something which only you know about yourself. Something you cannot escape because that is your true nature. So when we are talking about our purpose in life, it also pertains to whether you have self-knowledge. How well do you know yourself? How well have you connected with your inner nature, your true self? Because that is how you know your purpose in life. Are you leading a path that others have shown you, or you have found the path on your own? As author Glennon Doyle says, your purpose will be just your purpose. It was not a conference call. And I love this. How beautifully this statement has been put. It was not a conference call. So you don't have to go out and ask others, what is my purpose in life? Can you tell me my purpose in life? My purpose means it is my purpose. I must find it and I must stay with it, stick to it no matter what. So how do you know that you are following your purpose? One, you will be doing something you love to do, more of what you love to do. You'll be connected with your passion. You just find it easy to do. You have aptitude in doing it. When I went to learn music in a music school, it was like I was not learning at all. It was like somebody was just making me revise something which I already knew. I wanted to know more and more about it. So I didn't want to miss any class there. So that is how it comes very easy to you. There is no restraint of time. It is like you can do it 24/7. You love it so much. So that is something you have been chosen to do. You have been sent here as a purpose. That is something which has been chosen as a purpose for your life. And everybody will have a different purpose in life. So you have to choose your own purpose. Another thing is, you'll do it regardless of whether it is getting you any kind of monetary benefits or not. You'll just want to do it no matter what. It doesn't mean that you should go about doing things without charging for it. But then you love it so much that even without getting any kind of monetary benefits, you would love to do it. So you'll continue doing it no matter what, because the reward is not the real thing. Doing it is the reward in itself. So the work is the reward. That is what is meant by true passion for something. That is what is meant by purpose. I have been going to conferences and programs just to spread the light I can through my music, because I knew it right from childhood. I just know this is a gift I have been given, and this is a wonderful vehicle to spread love and to spread blessings, to spread enthusiasm. Another thing is, you'll be inspired all the time, happy all the time, because you are doing something you love to do. You are so much connected with your inner self, your inner core. It will bring you a lot of inner joy no matter what. But there is another side to it also. Not everybody is going to appreciate you for it. One side is, you'll hear a lot of good words from people around you. That is the universe speaking to you, so that you know you are on the right path. You are made for it. You are so good in it. I love it. Oh, I feel like, connecting with the divine when I hear you. All these things will come. But another part about this is that there'll be a lot of resistance. And this is because the universe wants you to go through a journey of learning and unlearning. So there is lot of learning and unlearning and relearning to do in this journey. And so there will be lot of resistance, because not everybody is going to see your vision. They will not understand you. I remember when I was in college, I heard somebody saying that nobody can be so enthusiastic about participating in programs and for music only. It is possible. He goes to meet somebody there. So how serious are you to just continue doing what you love to do, come what may? You will go through resistance. You will be, you'll not be concerned about how people are taking it, what people are saying. You will just do it no matter what, because your soul is into it. You just love to do it. Now, your vision has to be your vision. It is something you have been chosen to do, and so that gives you energy. This is something which is energizing you all the time. And so, come what may, there will be lot of failures also, but you don't have any fear of failure, because as I said, your reward is doing something you love. That is the real reward. You're not waiting for any other rewards or accolades from anybody. You are satisfied, and that is the reward. And so there is no fear of failure. Now you start mastering your craft, doing it for hours together and loving it, not getting tired. Instead, you are energized and you inspire others also. All the time you are full of inspirations of how to continue doing it. I remember when I was studying, I used to make all my notes, keeping my register and computer over the harmonium, because I knew that this is my passion. My true passion in life has to be music only. Though I may be studying, I may be learning other skills, that is fine, but so that I don't forget about this, that my core passion is still music, I used to operate my computer or write my notes on this harmonium box. So that is what true passion is all about. There will be lot of resistance, but for people who are actually passionate about their passion, they won't stop. Nothing can stop you, because you are connecting with something larger than who you are truly, through your passion, through the gift that has been given exclusively to you. As you start pursuing your passion, what will happen is that as you go on this journey of your purpose, your choices will be different now. Your choices of food will differ. You'll go in for more sattvic kinds of foods, vegetarian food, and your choices of people will be different. You'll speak less, because you're inspired, you'll be more contemplative, you will be more creative, and the places you go to will change. You start taking good care of yourself, because you know that this path is going to lead you towards success eventually. Success means total, true happiness. And you know, because that is your vision, you know, at the end of the road, there has to be sunshine, there has to be better things for you. And so you keep following your passion, your purpose in life, and you start taking good care of yourself. So, which is very good. You should take care, make yourself a priority. You keep others also in the purview, but you take good care of yourself. That is what is meant by self-love and self-care. You will find that you stay more in the present moment, and instead of worrying about the future, you make good use of this now, the present moment, doing whatever you can in this present moment and mastering your craft, becoming better and better in your craft. So now this purpose becomes the most important thing in your life, and you are not doing it only for yourself. You are finding a way to serve the society, reaching out to others also, spreading the light and happiness and enthusiasm and enriching lives on the way. So you enrich your own life by finding your purpose, and you reach out to others also in the society, spreading your inner joy, your inner light. So this is how you feel when you actually tread on this path towards your purpose in life. Now the question to ask you is, are you following your own purpose in life? If you are doing more of what you love to do, if you're mastering your craft every day, if you just love to be there doing something you love to do, and you feel inspired all the time, so creative all the time, energized all the time, well-being becomes your nature because you are doing something you love to do. Joy, happiness, all the time you feel good. That means you are following your purpose in life, because when you are connected with your true nature, your inner core, your inner being, that is what will give out the emotions of love, which has the highest frequency of connectedness with the nature, with the divine. Because whatever you are doing, you are offering it to the divine, and you are in gratitude for the gift the divine has bestowed upon you. And that is how you experience a lot of happiness, inner joy, well-being. This is all in this video. Thank you so much, Inner Universe community, for joining me here. I love to connect with each one of you. Thank you so much for your lovely comments. Thank you. Namaste.